Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off with this board that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint it like a robin's egg blue. And I'm just going to give this a couple of coats. I also painted the back and the sides. Once I had that all finished, I am going to take these letters that spell out snow, and I am going to take two of them and paint them with the robin's egg blue. Two of them I'm going to paint white, and then I'm going to take these two ornaments that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint those white also, just the bottom half. I didn't do the hanger just yet. The letters I got are wooden, and they are all different shapes. Like, they're not all the same. They're not all from the same package. Next, I'm going to take some crackle medium, and I'm going to add that to my board. You can use white glue or whatever you choose to do your crackle with. And then I'm going to add some to both of the ornaments also. Once that was all dry, you can use a heat gun to speed up the process. Just don't get too close to it. Wait till it's tacky and then start adding your paint. So I am going to add white to the board. And I'm just doing a thick coat. Need a bigger brush with some more paint. And you can see it already starting to crack. As it dries, it'll crack more. Again, you can use a heat gun. Just don't get too close to it and don't let it get hot. But you can use a blow dryer also if you don't have a heat gun. Next, I'm going to take and add the blue to the ornaments right over the crackle. And you want to try and go in the same direction so that your cracks are all the same. And then you just want to let all of this dry. I used a blow dryer to speed up the process, and look how beautifully that crackled. Next, I'm going to take this ink applicator, and I'm going to go around each of the ornaments with white on the edges. And just around the edges. I don't want it to be the whole thing, but I just kind of want it to have a frosted look. Then I'm going to take that same blue that I painted with. I'm going to go around the edge of the whole sign. I didn't even change my applicator. I just went from the white right to the blue because it's okay if it's kind of muted. And just go all the way around, kind of giving like a frosted effect. Once that is all dry, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to go around the edges of the sign with the Mod Podge and then add glitter. And I'm going to do that all the way around. And then I'm going to do the same thing to both the ornaments and all of the letters. Except for the letters, I'm going to do the full letter with the glitter. So I'm just going to add the Mod Podge right onto the full letter. And then I'll sprinkle them with glitter. So I'm just going to go and sprinkle what I did on the sign, and then I'm going to sprinkle the letters also. And then I repeated the same process on the ornaments on the outside, but I also painted the tops white, and then I added the glitter right to the wet paint. And then I'm going to go around with the Mod Podge around the edges. And I love all these colors. It's just so wintry looking. And I repeated that for both the ornaments. Next, I'm going to take those ornaments and I'm going to take these tinsel stems from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to push it through and then just kind of twist it. And then I'm going to glue these as if they're hanging from the sign. So I'm just going to run my glue up, make sure that it's even, and then line it up. I'm going to repeat that process on the other one also. Just pushing it through, kind of giving it a quick twist to hold it, and then gluing it in place so they look like they're hanging from the top of the sign. And I thought the silver went really well with the white and the blue. And then once I had those on, I'm just going to cut off the excess up at the top. And I missed a little spot there with the glue. You want to make sure these are really stuck. And how cute already. Next, I'm going to take those letters that I did, and I'm just going to stagger them at the bottom. So I'm not going to have them all going, right across from each other. I kind of want to just stagger them a little, so I kind of decided on my placement. And then I liked the way it looked, so I'm going to hot glue those down. And like I said, these letters are from all different packs, so it kind of gives a cool effect that they're not all the same. And just give those a nice hot glue, and look how cute this is. Next, I'm going to take these snowflakes that I got from Hobby Lobby. They're felt and they're kind of thick. So I'm going to add one to each one of these ornaments right in the center. And how cute, I love it. It's so pretty. Next, I'm going to take these white pieces of greenery, well, picks, I guess. They're not really greenery. I got at Dollar General, I believe. And I just cut them off of a big pick that they had. And I'm going to hot glue those to the top. And then I'm going to add a cute little silver bow to the center. I want to kind of make sure these are stuck well and going the same direction. Then add this little silver bow. And I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to hot glue that right to the center there. Make sure I don't have any excess glue. I always run over my projects with my heat gun after I'm done to get rid of all the glue strings. It works great. Look how beautiful this is. Next, I'm going to take another one of those tinsel stems and I'm going to add them to the back. So I'm just going to hot glue them down on each side. And then I'm going to add just a piece of that silver ribbon over the top of each one of these tinsel stems. And I just cut a small piece of the ribbon to go over it. Give it some extra security, extra hold. Make sure those don't pop off. And as you can tell, like I said, I painted the back of my sign. And I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it is so cute. It's great for all winter. It's not just a Christmas decoration. I really hope you enjoyed this project. I wish you could see how glittery it really looks. And the glitter's not falling off. And I'm probably going to take it outside when I have a nice day and give it a nice clear coat so that I don't have to worry about the glitter falling off. But I hope this inspires you to make one. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.